Hello, I'm Irene Sara. If your pattern tells you to work a chain stitch in the middle of the crochet fabric, you should do following steps. Stop at the point where chain stitch should be located. Hold the working loop on the hook. Then wrap the working yarn around the hook. With the yarn gripped in the lip of the hook, draw a loop of yarn through the loop on the hook. There is one completed chain stitch under the hook. Some patterns require only one chain stitch at the necessary point, but some patterns tell to make several chain stitches one by one in order to get a foundation. In this case, you should continue making chains in the same way until you have the number specified in your crochet pattern. Wrap the yarn around the hook and draw a loop through the loop on the hook. While crocheting, you should count each completed chain stitch. Don't count the loop on the hook. Move your yarn holding hand every few stitches to hold the chain just below the hook. Keep an even yarn tensioning and releasing to make all chain stitches in the same size. You also should know the abbreviation and symbols of chain stitch that are used in patterns. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.